Even though these cars are made in Malaysia, they are even more expensive here. Because 10 ringgit, it's almost, I would say it's $2. It's around $2. But at least we don't get scalpers here. And look at this. That's the first find. That's the first find. The Lotus Type 49, which I'm taking it. I'm taking it. And let's see what else they have here in Malaysia. Oops. And this is the end case. All fantasy, all fantasy. All fantasy. Okay, I'm starting to get a bit disappointed because all I see is fantasy stuff. Let me see. Flipping fast. End case. Fantasy, fantasy, fantasy. Fantasy, nothing. Even in Malaysia, I cannot find anything that I'm looking for. It's all fantasy. Uh-oh. There's another one. I'll take it. It'll take it. I'll take two of them. Nothing. It's not looking good. It's not looking good, guys. It's not looking good. Well, you gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. I think it looks like this is a bust. Yet another bust. Even here in Malaysia, the place where they actually made all this. I mean, and you know what? The factory is like 1 hour from here. So there's no way you cannot get more sooner than over here. Okay. Let's see what else they have. Man, it's not looking good at all. It's just fantasy and all kid stuff. Seriously. I doubt I'm gonna find a super treasure hunt here. I really doubt it. Man, this is awful. Yeah, I'm not gonna find anything here. Let's see what else I got. Majorette. I don't see this in America. Toyota Century. This looks like a Japan brand. Well, it's meant for Japan, for the Japanese market, I would say. Ooh, they have Tomica, and they have it closed. Well, there you go. Look at all those castings, guys. They have the Ferrari there. They have mostly Japanese brands like Ultraman. Okay. You know what? It's time to bring the big guns. Look at all that, guys. But again, it's mostly like kid toys. They stick to the kid-friendly stuff. And look at the price. It's 30 ringgit, so it's, I would say, almost like this much. So yeah, a bit expensive, I would say. A bit expensive. Let's see what else they got here. Maisto. Long time no see. They got Maisto. 13 ringgit. 13.90. 40 ringgit virtually. What else they have? Muscle machines. A bunch of Ferraris. Ooh. This is very rare to see. These are very rare to see in America. I never seen in like Meijer or Walmart or anything like this. Ferraris. I'll get some. Oh man. Not that cheap, to tell you the truth. That's 120 ringgit, which is equivalent to that. And for 132, that's expensive. That's expensive. Man. Okay. All these Ferraris. I'm also a stickler for Ferraris. Okay, let's take a look at the 118s. That's a beauty over here. That's a beauty. Wow. Look at that. It's beautiful. Switch off the camera. Oh, this is amazing, man. Okay, I'll put it somewhere around here. And look at the price. So it's almost reaching $100, 400 ringgit, but yeah. Audi, but this is what I'm looking for. Let me see if, nope, I cannot even see it. It's so cool that they don't even want it to show it. You have to buy it to see it. The Speciale. Okay, let me adjust the camera a bit. Let's see what else. Oh, these are, yeah, these are RCs. Formula 1. More Formula 1, Mercedes. It's quite big. I thought they would have like a big selection. Oh, wait a minute. It's just kid stuff. Or I don't know, maybe in here like diecasts are really for kids, are really meant for kids. In terms of Hot Wheels mainlines, this is what I'm getting. This is what I'm getting. Not bad at all, huh? Okay, bye bye.